Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how you can disable double click to install for apps on iPhone in iOS 17. So let's get started without wasting any time. Guys, Apple implemented this feature to prevent accidental downloads and purchases. This is to ensure that you verify your installs and purchases. By double pressing the side button of the mobile, you are basically saying yes, I am satisfied with this purchase, and the application gets installed. Now let's know how to turn off the double click to install message. So guys, now what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings menu on your iPhone and iPad. After opening the settings menu, now you have to scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, you have to enter your iPhone passcode. And after that, what you need to do is just simply you have to turn off iTunes and App Store. After turning off the App Store, you will now be able to install any application from the App Store without double clicking the side button. That's it guys. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.